In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on eBay. If you want to use Klarna while checking out on eBay, the process is quite straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact flow shown on screen so you can complete your purchase smoothly and avoid confusion at checkout. To begin, open the eBay listing for the item you want to buy. Once you're on the product page, look for the Buy It Now button and click it. This takes you directly into the checkout process instead of adding the item to your cart and browsing further. If you already know this is the item you want, this is the fastest way to move forward. After selecting Buy It Now, eBay will bring you to the payment section. Here, you'll need to choose or add a payment method. On this screen, click Add New Card. This is the option you'll use to enter the card connected to your Klarna account or the card you want to use for the payment arrangement. Make sure you're on the secure checkout page before entering anything. And take a second to review the order total so you know exactly what you're being charged for before continuing. Once you click Add New Card, the next step is to enter your card details. Carefully type and say the required information exactly as it appears on your card. It's a good idea to double check everything before submitting because even a small mistake like a wrong number or expiration date can cause the payment to fail or slow down the checkout process. As you fill this out, go slowly and make sure your billing information matches what your card provider has on file. That can help prevent verification issues. If Klarna is supported for your purchase and region, this setup helps you proceed through checkout using the payment method you've added. Before placing the order, review all the details on the checkout page, including the item, shipping address, and final payment method. This is especially important if you're using a financing or installment option because you'll want to be certain everything is correct before confirming the purchase. And that's it. To pay with Klarna on eBay, you simply click Buy It Now, choose Add New Card in checkout, and then enter your card details to continue. Follow those steps carefully and you should be able to complete your purchase without any trouble.